Yo, it's your boy Coach Mook, man. I'm back with another video, guys. It's Thursday. You know what time it is. It's Thursday Night Football. Before we get into everything, let's go ahead and make sure you download Chalkboard. I know you have, but if you haven't, download Chalkboard and use code CoachMook to get a 100% deposit match. We ain't talking 10, 20, 25, 50, none of that. 100%, guys. Lock that in. Get you a bonus on $100 on that guy. Okay, let me do a quick little recap before I get into the play today. So, our play today yesterday was so crucial, so good, bro. Look at the read, but man, bro, Harden bro. I want to say Harden scored like 12 points in the first quarter. I was like, yeah, we gonna carry this, blah blah blah. And then he goes on to finish at 19 points. I just don't understand Harden, bro. He goes on such a roll in a shootout in the first 2 quarters, and then he does this. Aaron Fox stayed under. K got 5 3-pointers. Austin Reeves stayed at under 9.5. Austin scared me because he got like 5, I want to say, in the first or second quarter. But man, bro, this was such a good read. But we moved. This was like all day yesterday. Not all day yesterday, but this was another good one too. Marcus Rigby Jr. under points. Drew Holiday assists. PR, man, LeBron went nuts again. Darius Garland could not get the second assist. He got the assist off, but then the guy missed it, man. But another great read guy. But today's going to be a better day. A full NBA slate, Thursday Night Football, which reminds me to show you how to play today. All right, this is my play today. We have Nakobe Dean over 7.5 tackles and assists, and then we have Jaden Daniels under 45 rushing yards. Let me show you why I chose these picks, guys. I'm going to keep it light for the play today. Because we keep missing by one. So I'm going to keep it light. You dig what I'm saying? All right, let's get into it. So, Nakobe Dean. I hope I'm pronouncing his first name right. But Nakobe Dean, over 7.5 assists. As you can see, the last 5 is 60%. The H2H is 100%. And if you look over here on the matchups, Washington is ranked 25 for tackles against. So I'm expecting him to get way more tackles than assists, which is, of course, the norm. But I really like it. And as you can see, bro, against Washington, he goes crazy. He got 11 tackles last game and only 2 assists. So I'm expecting him to get a good amount of tackles today and keep it moving like that. So I really like this, like that play, like that in. Now, Jaden Daniels. Jaden Daniels is going up against this Eagles defensive line. And as you can see, the matchup versus the quarterbacks, they're ranked 5 for stopping the quarterback run. I really love this play. And he's what is he? He's 60% in the last 5 for going over. Only going up against Carolina and the Bears. Go figure. You dig what I'm saying? But Pittsburgh, New York Giants, the Baltimore, any team with a solid defensive line, he's not going to be doing as much running. So I really expect him to stay under 20, 25. He may hit a 30 line, but I don't think he's going to go over that. I really love that play. So make sure you lock these in. And again, this play is Nakobe Dean over 7.5 tackles and assists, and Jaden Daniels less than 45.5. At the time of this video, which is 9:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, both of these Jaden Daniels, I think Jaden Daniels' line on PrizePicks is like 42. And Nakobe Dean 7.5 tackles and assists is not even on the board. So you have to download Chalkboard to lock this in. And again, use code CoachMook to get a 100% deposit match, guys. And now let's take a quick look at that's for Thursday Night Football. Let's take a quick look at some NBA. Let's see how many games we have today. I'm gonna be sending a full slate today. Let's check it out. Oh, only one game? I'm thinking today is there's only one game today. That's crazy, SA. No. Hold on. That can't be no way. Okay, well, today's going to be a very simple day. We have the Mavericks versus the Jazz, and I'm going to go ahead and not hurry, but I'm going to strategically and efficiently send out a couple plays today because a lot of these lines are going to disappear and be gone. So, go ahead and lock this in, guys. And if you want to join the free Discord, as you can see, I always give out live plays. I give out all the promo. I drop my videos in here. The people drop free free plays. So go ahead and lock this in. Everything you need is in the description below. I'm also, like I said in yesterday's video, I'm going to be sending a lot of more better plays. If you want to, let me see if I have it on here. Let me look at my announcement, see if it's on here. Let's see. Where are my better stuff? Oh, my affiliate links. Okay, here you go, guys. Listen, you can get up to $250 if you download better, right? If you haven't already. Use code CoachMook. Get $250 sign-on bonus. Lock that in. And if you want the link is in my description as well. You can get a lot of this information on my Discord. That's in the link. That's in the description as well. All right, guys, let's have a great day. I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber and you're watching this today on November 14th, send me a message on Discord. I'm going to give you a free 30 days once you join the Discord and sign up for Better Our Chalkboard. And show me proof. And it's your boy, Coach Mook. Let's get out of here. Let's cash out today. We out.